Understanding regret in hindsight, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept that many of us experience but might not always have the words to describe: regret in hindsight. This phrase is a powerful part of the English language, representing feelings and realizations we come to after certain events have passed. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're just curious about nuanced expressions, this video will shed light on understanding and using this phrase effectively. Regret in hindsight combines two important words: regret and hindsight. Regret refers to a feeling of sadness or disappointment over something that has happened or been done, especially a loss or missed opportunity. Hindsight, on the other hand, is the understanding of a situation or event only after it has happened or developed. So, when we talk about regret in hindsight, we're discussing the feeling of regret or disappointment that comes after realizing the consequences of our actions, decisions, or the missed opportunities, but only after the events have occurred. To truly grasp this concept, let's look at some examples. Making a hasty decision. Imagine you decided not to attend a friend's wedding because it was too far away. But later, after seeing photos and hearing stories, you regret missing out on what was a beautiful and memorable event. Missed opportunities. Perhaps there was a job you didn't apply for because you doubted your qualifications, and later, you learned the position had fewer applicants than expected. The realization that you might have missed a good chance brings regret in hindsight. Words left unsaid. Not expressing your feelings to someone when you had the chance and later realizing they felt the same way. The regret comes after understanding the missed opportunity for a relationship. Understanding how to use regret in hindsight in conversation or writing can help you express complex feelings more accurately. It's often used to reflect on past experiences and share wisdom or lessons learned. For example, in storytelling, looking back, I realize I made a mistake not taking that job offer. It's a classic case of regret in hindsight. In advice, always think twice before making big decisions. You don't want to live with regret in hindsight. While it's natural to experience this feeling, it's also important to learn from it without letting it weigh you down. Reflecting on your decisions, learning from your mistakes, and moving forward with more wisdom can turn regret into a valuable lesson. Remember, hindsight gives us a clearer view of our past decisions but also guides us towards making better choices in the future. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of regret in hindsight and how you can use this understanding in your own life and conversations. Remember, it's a common experience that, when approached thoughtfully, can lead to personal growth and better decision-making in the future. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. See you in the next video.